Hello students, in this video we are going to solve exercise 1.3 question number 5 part C. Let us see what is the question in this part. 15 multiply by in bracket minus 25 multiply by in bracket minus 4 multiply by minus 10. How can we make this multiplication more easier? If I take 25 with this 4, if I multiply first minus 25 multiply by minus 4, directly we will get 100, and in next step if we will multiply that 100 multiply by with this 10, so directly we can get 1000. In this way we can make this multiplication more easier. Let us see how we can do this. First, and in this question property also we have to apply here, that which property we are using here. First, 15 multiply by in bracket I am taking together these numbers. The numbers are integers are minus 25 in bracket minus 4 multiply by minus 10. Next step, 15 will be as it is. So let us solve this one by one. First, minus into minus gives us plus. We will not write. Then 25 into 4, directly you can multiply. It will be 100. Okay, if you want, so you can multiply here. 25 into 4, 5 4s are 20, here 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 gives us 100. So here 100, then this is over, this multiplication sign here, and this minus 10 is remaining now. So next step, 15 will be as it is, multiply 100 multiply by minus 10. First, plus minus gives us minus sign, then 100 here 10, so we will get minus 1000, and simply you can get 15 into 1000, 15,000. And what about sign? Plus into minus, here will be minus sign, and 15 into 1000 will be 15,000. And property which we have used here is, as we have changed its order, so in commutative property we can use the order of the digits. We can multiply the integers in any order. So that's why we have used here commutative property. By commutative property we can solve this question. I hope you have understood. Thank you.